As part of its implementation of the $25 million threshold program, the Millennium Challenge account of the Gambia organized a day-long training workshop on social inclusion and gender integration plan for various government institutions. The workshop aimed to enhance participants' understanding of the subject matter and emphasize the importance of implementation. Mariama Dem reports.
The Millennium Challenge account, the Gambia, with support from the Millennium Challenge Corporation, MCC, is currently implementing a $25 million threshold program to improve governance and operations in the power sector by introducing reforms that promote accountability and transparency. As part of this initiative, MCA Gambia gathered stakeholders on Tuesday, 28 August 2024 for a discussion on the theme Social Inclusion and Gender Integration Plan of the project. The objective of the workshop was to build the capacity of project teams in integrating gender and social inclusion considerations into the threshold program. Mr. Safi Dembele, the CEO of the Millennium Challenge account of the Gambia, stressed the significance of gender and social inclusion in empowering vulnerable and marginalized groups, fostering economic growth and reducing poverty. He highlights the program's key intervention areas.
The U.S. government funded, and the program is there to address the binding constraints to economic growth. And we have seen that there is a correlation between economic growth and access to opportunities, issues of equality, issues of inclusion. So it has not been by coincidence that the program is also supporting the cause for gender and social inclusion. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the implementation of this program, therefore, has social and gender integration. MCA, with the support from our colleagues, that is MCC, they were able to put together this beautiful document we call the Social and Gender Integration Plan, which will serve as a reference document for the implementing entities.
The threshold program aims to address the challenges posed by unreliable, inadequate electricity supply in the Gambia. It is designed to complement the government's existing efforts to tackle issues in the energy sector. Ms. Rebecca Taylor, the Chief Political and Economic Officer at the U.S. Embassy in the Gambia, representing the U.S. Ambassador, spoke on the significance of including women in the energy sector to enhance its resilience and responsiveness. Excluding women, she noted, could have severe consequences.
There is an opportunity here to ensure that women are included and empowered to play full and active roles as energy professionals and producers, energy entrepreneurs and decision makers, as well as energy consumers. In addition to meeting its commitments to Sustainable Development Goal 7, affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all by 2030, gender mainstreaming will result in a more resilient and responsive Gambian energy sector. The evidence base is clear that when industries and utilities are diverse in their staffing talent, they perform better. This is pretty incredible. The top 25% of companies in male-dominated industries that have the most gender-diverse executive leadership teams are 47% more profitable than those in the bottom 25%. Excluding women from the workforce leads to inefficient economies, unequal growth, and missed opportunities for development.
The Minister of Gender, Children and Social Welfare, Honorable Fatou Kinte, commended MCC and MCA Gambia for mainstreaming gender and social inclusion in the energy sector, highlighting its priority in the social and gender integration plan. She acknowledged the gender parity in STEM and noted the emphasis that MCC leadership places on women's socio-economic development.
MCC and Government of the Gambia is dedicated to unlocking the economic potential of women in the holistic, sustainable, and impactful manner. This partnership with MCC is crucial in achieving meaningful and lasting change. This constructive collaboration fosters greater synergies between government and development partners. The cooperation and implementation of effective policies, shifts in social norms and organized changes that collectively propel societies towards gender equality and social inclusion. This training is a step in the right direction. Mr. Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward, my ministry remains steadfast in its commitment to promoting gender equality and social inclusion.
Despite the progress in promoting gender parity in the energy sector, there remains a significant gender imbalance with a majority of male workers in the Gambia. However, the Millennium Corporation account of the Gambia, through its social and gender integration plan, is dedicated to promoting social and gender integration across its programs and activities. Maria Madem, reporting for Star TV News.